Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on taking apart the Razer Wolverine Ultimate Edition controller. It should be the same for the Tournament Edition. I don't see any videos online, so I just wanted to do a quick video on that. If you look at the back, there's a screw hole right here. It is going to be a Phillips. I'm just using a small Phillips head screwdriver. I believe that's out all the way. And then there's two hidden screws under the covers. You can use any type of plastic that pops off. It's going to be a screw right here. And another one in the bottom. I think I lost that one. So there's 5 screws in all that hold the back on. And then you can just pry open you might want to remove these also. Remove your, and this will pop apart. It takes some force. It feels like you're gonna break it, but you won't. They are pretty durable, and that pops off. The big problem with these is the buttons get sticky. What I would do is use a non-ammoniated glass cleaner. This one's pretty decent. You can buy it at Home Depot or anywhere like that. And just spray the buttons. Just wipe them down. I was having problems with the Y button sticking. And putting together is just easy as snapping it back together. Maybe. This middle screw never fell out, so it's still in there. I did lose one of mine screws. I still haven't found it, but it's I'm not worried about it coming apart because it does clip together. And then your side covers. There's little clips down in the ends. Draw that one on right. I think I have these backwards. Easy as that. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Other than that, like and subscribe and look for more videos.